Now, when you talk about feasibility study, now let me define what I mean by that. Feasibility study is, I have this wonderful idea. Can I actually convert this idea into a product? I would like my car to produce 500 miles a gallon. Can I actually do that? How do you evaluate that that is possible? So you focus on three things. You focus on know-how. Does the existing know-how state of technology allow that? That is more of a theoretical exercise. Say, okay, somebody did something which was close to it. So we have some idea that it can be done. So you essentially are doing a lot of research. You are going through journal papers, you're going through patents, and you're trying to figure out whether the know-how exists for a particular idea. On the left-hand side, we're talking about feasibility study. On the right-hand side, we're going to talk about the business plan, and we'll get that in a minute. Feasibility study is where I'm focusing on. Now you're trying to determine whether the product can be built. Now here, you're talking about demonstration. A demonstration is different than a prototype. Demonstration is actually a crude prototype. You're trying to demonstrate the technology can be made into a product, and it doesn't have to be manufacturable. It doesn't have to be cost effective, right? So the steps you follow is trying to find out know-how exists, trying to analyze whether you can build a crude prototype to demonstrate your idea. And once you have determined that, then you actually demonstrate by a crude prototype that the technology is possible, right? So that is the definition of feasibility study